This video will show you how to set up the Smeg 10-in-1 countertop oven for first use. Before using for the first time, clean the trays, racks and water tank in warm soapy water before drying thoroughly. The water tank is located on top of the appliance. Push the button back to lift the lid before removing the tank using the handle attached. The appliance has two control dials. The left dial allows you to navigate through cooking and settings menus and is in control of starting or stopping cooking programs. The right dial allows you to amend cooking options, such as temperature and time, and is pressed to confirm the chosen settings. This button can also be used to access the settings menu. When connecting the appliance for the first time or after a power cut, the time will flash at 12 o'clock on the display. The current time must be set in order to start a cooking function. Turn the right dial to set the hour and confirm by pressing in the right dial. Set the minutes in the same way and press in to confirm the selected time. The oven should be burnt off before first use. This process requires the oven to be turned to the highest temperature for around 30 minutes to remove any factory residue. Odour produced from the oven during this time is expected, and this process prevents this from happening during cooking. To do this, twist the left control dial to the right. This shows the oven menu. Press in with the left dial to enter this menu. Select the fan assist function. Next, move over to the right-hand dial. Press in once to amend the temperature. Once the degrees symbol flashes, rotate the dial to increase or decrease the temperature. Press in once, rotate the dial to set 30 minutes to enable the burn off to take place and press start. The oven will begin to heat and it will show its progress along the base of the display. Once it has reached temperature, the oven will emit an audible sound. Once the timer has ended, press and hold the left dial for 3 seconds to end the function. As this appliance benefits from using steam, it's good practice to set the water hardness specific to your area. This means that the appliance will require descaling more or less frequently to ensure optimum performance and longevity. To do this, firstly access the settings menu. Press the right-hand dial in for 3 seconds, then turn the left dial to navigate through the different settings. Once the setting reading hard has been reached, select from 5 levels, 1 being the softest and 5 being the hardest water option. Press set to confirm your choice. Press and hold the set button to return to the main menu. The 10-in-1 oven is now ready to use. Please take a look at the video linked in the description for more information on cooking with this appliance. If you found this useful, please like the video, and if you'd like to see more from us, please subscribe to our channel.